828 Find Adventure here. These are the Toyota all-weather mats. I've run them in my vehicle since 2012 in 3 different types of vehicles, and I've been happy with them except for on the edges where they let straw and dirt get underneath and get on your carpet. It kind of defeats the purpose. So I heard that WeatherTech Mats do a great job of preventing that. So I ordered some. They came in the mail really quick. They were shipped in a really nice box. They're really good quality, but there was a little flaw that happened while shipping. And I'm gonna show you that and how I fixed it with the help of WeatherTech in case yours show up the same way. So let's go check it out. So let's get these mats out of here. This mat that I just removed is a Toyota OE all-weather mat. The carpet in these trucks and the carpeted mats, if you have those, are pretty cheap. So you're gonna need to upgrade the carpeted mats right away, or you will wear through that and then you will wear through the carpet in your truck. And that goes for, I had a Highlander, it did that, and the Tacoma. And the all-weather mats really saved me on that. This nice box here. Let's see how these go. I got some paperwork here, got my invoice. Okay. There we have what looks to be the driver's side. And there we have what looks to be the passenger side. These are really nice. The passenger side has little plugs here for the safety stuff. And this is nice. Has a big WeatherTech logo. It has some little bit of red on it, so that matches the interior. It's got the Toyota OE safety clip here, so let's try this out. So first, I just put it in under that like that, and I'm gonna try to see. There we go. Oh wow. Fits really snug. Wow, that went right into place. Let's see if I can turn these. There we go. Push them down kind of hard there, but these right here, you just push down on them. If they don't seem to go in, you just push down on the mat and it'll turn. Same with the other side right there. Those are nice. So look at that. What do you think? Let me see here how they do. Putting my feet in here. They feel good. We'll see how it does at keeping the dirt out. The rest of the mat goes up a little higher than factory. If you had muddy feet, it would all fall down on the mat. I like that. It'll all definitely hold in snow and mud and stuff like that. So very nice. It's got this little wrinkle here I'm not real jazzed with. Let's see here. You can see that. I will let you know if that flattens out. I don't like that at all. So, you know, maybe when it warms up, it'll flatten out. We'll see. I could see that being kind of a trip hazard getting in the car. I wonder what happens when you shut the door. Since it bows out like that, let's see what happens when you shut the door. It doesn't. Because of that, it won't shut. So that's a problem. You know, I don't want to have to always come down here. See, it won't shut. Well, that's crazy. Look at that. I don't like that at all. Again, look at this. It's keeping the door from shutting. Interesting. Okay. Well, there we go. That's not good at all. Let's try that again. Look at it, folks. It's all bowed up against the inside. won't even let the door shut. That's crazy. Huh. I'm gonna email WeatherTech and see what they can do about that. Man, I'm really disappointed. Disappointed. Okay, so what WeatherTech has told me to do, because you can see this, I can stick my hand under there, and this is what's catching on the door. So what they've told me to do is to turn it upside down, kind of turn it inside out. See if I can do that. And they said that will eliminate. It's really not eliminating any of it. I don't see it really doing anything. I don't see where that makes a difference. I can still put my hand under there. I'm going to sit something like this on it and weight it down at room temperature and see if that helps. Okay folks, let's try this again. I'm gonna unclip these. Let's take this one out, shake it off, and let's try to put this one. As you can see, I let it sit and I pressed it all night with something that weighs about 5 pounds to make it flat. Let's see if this fits and see if it works. I just want to be able to shut the door. Okay, let's see here. Let's push down and turn this. A little trouble here. There we go. You got to push down hard to turn those. Okay. Let's see. It's only sticking up about 1/8 of an inch right now. Okay, let's get in and see if we can shut the door. Okay. Well, so far so good. Let's try that again. Looks like it's doing the job. Still sticking up a little bit. You know, probably because I have my feet in it. You can see, but it's not as much as it was. Keeping it pressed overnight at room temperature seemed to fix the problem. All right, let's put the other one in. On the passenger side, it has these red clips, and it comes with this bag of material here. So let's open that up. Okay, let's see what's in there. Got a couple of these. Ooh, that's a spiky thing. Look at that. Those are some sharp spikes. Let's see what the directions say about this and what you're supposed to do here. Alright, well, you fit these down in it. When you put it down, you press these spikes into the carpet. Okay, so it looks like you install the spikes before you install the mat, and then it holds them in place. Alright. Okay then, so I guess these will go like that. It shows you, they just go right in here. Pressing them down with something like a screwdriver. So let's give that a shot here. Let's try this. Alright, you hear that snap? There we go. Got a good snap there. Alright. Let me remove the first aid kit. Let me remove this mat. Now remember, these things are super sharp. They will poke right through your skin, so be very careful once you clip those in and you're handling the mat for install. Just be careful with those. They still move. I don't know that that's the best. Maybe they will stay, maybe not. It might not extend up as high as the Toyota mat. Let me see. From where the bend is, it's about 13 inches. This mat, it's only about 8. Huh. Well, we'll see. I have a feeling grime and dirt and stuff's gonna get behind it. See how the door shuts? Door shuts fine. Finished product. They look nice. We will just have to see how they do. Doors shutting good now and everything after sitting all night. Well, I hope you liked my video on my WeatherTech mat install and the little problem I had and how I fixed it. It was real simple. I love the mats. They're doing a great job. It's been raining here a lot, and we've gotten a lot of dirt and crap on our feet, and it's been they've been doing their job, let's just say that. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. If you would, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. I've got a lot of videos on the way, so we will see you then. See ya!